In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a voting poll using Google Forms. This is a great tool for gathering opinions, hosting surveys, or even just getting quick feedback from friends or colleagues. So let's jump right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Google Forms. If you're new to this, just search for Google Forms and click on the link that takes you there. Once you're on the Google Forms homepage, you'll see various template options. Let's choose the blank form for this demonstration to show you just how customizable it can be. On your blank form, the first thing you will do is give your poll a title. Click on the Untitled form at the top and type in the name of your poll. This could be something as simple as favorite movie genre or team lunch preferences. Giving your poll a clear and engaging title helps respondents understand immediately what the poll is about. Next, you'll provide a description. This is optional, but including a brief explanation can be helpful. Here, you can add any important details or instructions for your respondents. For instance, if it's a multiple-choice poll, you might mention that they need to select only one option. Now it's time to add your poll question. Click on Questions, which is already highlighted by default. Type your question into the Untitled question field. Suppose you want to ask, which of the following is your favorite type of cuisine? Below the question, you'll notice there are different types of answer formats available. Make sure to select multiple choice if you want respondents to pick just one option. Start adding your options by clicking on option 1 and typing in your first choice. Hit enter after each option to add a new one. You can provide as many options as necessary. If you need to remove an option, hover over the unwanted option and click the trash bin icon to delete it. It's as simple as that. Once your questions and options are ready, take a moment to review your poll. Ensure everything looks just how you want. This is also a good time to preview your form by clicking on the eye icon at the top. This will show you exactly what the respondents will see. To finalize and share your poll, hit the big Send button at the top right of your screen. From here, you'll see options to send the form via email, share a link, or even embed it on a website. Choose what works best for you. And there you have it. You've just created a voting poll using Google Forms. Remember, this tool can be a powerful way to collect responses and data quickly and efficiently. Play around with the formats, and soon you'll be a pro at making your polls engaging and insightful. Thanks for watching.